My goodness, what am I going to do with all these pallets? There's so many. I had so many of them. Golly, I don't know what to do with them. I got a whole bunch of pallet boards. What in the world am I going to do? I've got an idea. Hey, stay tuned. Watch the video, and we will figure it out. Hello, guys. Welcome back to the outside shop. As you can see, I'm not in the shop today. I'm actually outside. It's a beautiful day here in the mountains. It's probably, I think it's like 74, 76 degrees. Beautiful, beautiful. So I said, hey, I'm going to work outside. So what we're going to do, I'm not doing a wood turning video. It is woodworking, but not wood turning. Uh, I was doing some crafts, reclaiming old pallets. You can make hundreds and hundreds of things out of these old pallets. Uh, so I was making some stuff with them. Made a few, sold a few. Now I've got a huge order. I've got to try to get done. Um, and also, there's a craft show coming up here in a couple weeks, so I want to have a lot of these going. But I'll show you what I'm making out of old pallets. We're going to be making just a simple Christmas tree. That's just simple, out of reclaimed pallet. Of course, you can do them any color, but I do red, green, yellow. Uh, this one here is about 24 inches from the bottom of the tree to the top, and then I cut the stick. It's about 32. You can put it in the ground for an outside decoration, or if you want to use it in the house, that's fine too. But I make a lot of different sizes, but this is the bigger one. Here's a smaller one. Here, this one's about 18 inches tall. Pretty much the same pattern, but simple things to make out of a pallet. Only thing, you have your time in it. You can pick up pallets around your community, around where you live, where we can't hear, free. A lot of these companies just give them away so they don't have to haul them off. So a great way to refurbish old wood and make some kind of cool craft, especially holidays coming up. These sell crazy. I mean, you can make an extra, a few bucks. Simple to make, but we'll make one. I'll show you the way I do it, and we'll get started on this. But you can see, I'll turn the camera around, and you'll be able to see the. I've already used up, man. I don't know, probably 10, 12 pallets. I got some more in the back of my truck, and then I've got one laying here. But you can see there. And of course, what you don't use, I cut them up for firewood, because there's a few of them that's pine, but a lot of them's hardwood. Most of them's oak, but that one, those laying right there are pine. But either way, let me get everything here, and I'll show you the process that I do to make one of these awesome looking Christmas trees. So hang in there. All right. So basically, what I got, these are just the cut off pieces of the pallet. And of course, I did run them through my planer. I don't, because that saves on sanding. This way, the only thing I do, I'll sand the edges after I get them cut. We'll paint them, tail them together. We're done, and that's all the sanding there is. But what I do, I just lay them out. Of course, I do have some pieces of scrap here from them other ones that I did. I'm gonna use them as we come down. But you'll start out, just lay them out. Of course, these are cut, so I'm going to use these if they're long enough. I don't think this one's going to be long enough. But just lay them out. I usually do 6 for the bigger trees, but you can do them as many as you want. Sorry about the noise. That's fire trucks going by. Got a wildfire out of control about 40 miles east of here, or west of here. And they're using this road to get to it. So prayers for all the people over next county over for all them wildfires. Of course, we're getting some smoke. It's a little smoky back on the mountains there. I'll show you guys in a little while. So yeah, I just lay these out, and of course it doesn't look pretty. It's not going to. And then that's the angle I use, and it's a 22.5% angle on my saw. But yeah, just lay them out there, and then mark down this edge. Like I say, I'm going to use these because I cut them off, so that's the angle I want to go for. I may be blocking the camera, if I am, apologize for that, but I'll get it marked off. But we'll get these marked. And then you got to measure the length of the board so you get your right angle. So I want to go on this one, I'm going to go 16 wide at the bottom. So we'll just go to the 16, go back to the point of this one, and that should give us our angle. That one's off a little bit. Yeah, see, that gives us our angle. I know I cheat. I use my cutoff angles as a measuring tool. It's a lot easier. And we'll just mark these. And then we'll just cut them off. So once you get them marked, you just take them over to your miter saw or whatever you use and cut them. And then we'll come right back. All right, we got them all cut. And again, you just lay them out there. Now, a lot of people, you could put these, if you wanted to leave, well, I just knocked it apart. But anyway, I'm using my table saw as a table, if you hadn't noticed. But you can leave them together like that, but I like leaving spaces in there. I think it looks pretty cool. But like I say, the only thing you have to do now is I'll take the sander. I'll just take a palm sander and I'll sand the edges just to knock off the rough cuts, the splinters. And it just pretty much gives them a, a smoother finish. That's pretty much it. That's all you got to do. Do that to each one of them, and then we'll move over to the paint station. So let me finish sanding these, and we'll move over there and get some paint on these. All right, got them laid out over here. We'll get these painted, and like I say, I use red, green, yellow. For the back, this is just a cedar stick. You can use whatever you want. It's about 32 inches long. I just hit it with some silver. Just throw it to the side. And you just start painting. Now, I don't paint the back. I just paint the edges in the front. You can paint the back if you wanted to. I lost the nozzle from my red paint. But it's really fast. That takes long, and this paint dries really fast too. So, and if you're scared of getting it on you, of course, wear gloves. I don't mind to get dirty. Soap and water takes care of everything. Don't want our overspray to get on our other ones, but All right, got those all painted. We'll just give them a few minutes to dry, and then we'll move back over and put together the puzzle. All right, let's give them a few minutes to dry. Okay, so they're all dry. Move back over here. Got some dust on it, but it wipes right off. No problem. So now we'll just put it all together. What I do is I've just got a piece of cut off 2x4 that I'll lay under this one, because when I use the nailer, just in case, because this is a metal top, I'm not on my regular workbench. That way it'll go into this and not hit the table in case it does go through. But I got the pressure turned down, so it won't do it. So we'll just start with a small one. Just kind of go up here and use that old eagle eye. Start it. Pop her in there. And I'll leave about an inch gap in between them, like I said. I like the gap. All right, there you have it, guys. One more Christmas tree. Simple project out of old wooden pallets. Make great gifts, great craft show ideas. Like I say, you make a quick few dollars, help fund your shop, turning reclaimed pallets into something pretty cool. So yeah, we'll take it over here and look at the other ones and see the pile. Yeah. All right, so there you have it. Just a pretty cool project out of old pallet art. Of course, on top of the wood pile here, but that's okay. Wintertime's coming, all this will be gone. So yeah, but very simple to make. Turn back around and you can see me. Easy to make projects. I know it's not wood turning, but like I say, I do woodworking. I do all kind of stuff. I thought I'd bring you guys along to make one. I had an hour or so to spare, so I figured, hey, I'll record one and give you guys an idea. Something else to do to, like I say, it'll help put cash in your pocket to help fund your shop, buy you some tools or whatever you got, or whatever the need may be. Fast, simple project. I only have, like I say, it takes, you can make one in less than 10 minutes. I do let this car go by. Sorry about the noise. I'm outside and I'm right on the road. Far as tearing the pallets apart, I don't know. I'm not going to spend the time to try to tear them apart and beat all the nails out of them. I'm just not going to do it. I just take a skill saw and run down through there and get most of them's 24 inch pieces that you can get out of each side. So you can get 4 feet out of it, or almost 4 feet out of a pallet, not quite. Then that way you don't have nail holes in the boards you're trying to use. But simple to do. You can rip one apart in 2 minutes with a skill saw, or if you have a sawzall, whatever you have. But the only thing you'll have in there is a little bit of time, and you'll have your nails and your spray paint. 3 cans of spray, 4 colors. I got 4 colors there. You figure 4 colors of spray paint. I don't know, around here its average is about $5 or $6 a can. So I'm gonna say $25 in spray paint. Then the nails I use is another 15. So I got $35, and I can probably get 25 of those 2-foot trees for $35. That's what it cost me to make 25 of them, $35 plus my time. So you sell You sell 2 of them, you get your money back. Depends where you're at. You may sell 1, get your money back. Around here, I get, you know, 20 bucks. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to all my subscribers. Hope I didn't let you down on this video being a different type of project besides wood turning. But I enjoy doing anything to do with wood, woodworking, wood turning, restoration. I like any of that kind of stuff. And I'll probably be doing more. Probably doing a few more projects, wood projects on video. I'm gonna try to get set up where I can record doing some wood projects. The wood turning's not so bad because in my shop I've already got my stand and my clamp. I already got my cameras in there. But doing this kind of stuff, I don't have a dust system in the shop over here that I'm using to do my woodworking. So I try to do it with the door up so I can do a lot. I do a lot of about all the sanding outside, and I do a lot of the cutting outside. But being wintertime comes, well, I just have to put in a fan and hopefully it pulls it out. But until I get my extractor system set up, which I do have, I just got to get it set up. So yeah, sorry for talking so long. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I say, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I do a video every week, sometimes 2, and I just do anything to do with wood. I'll do it, whatever. But I don't know if you guys can see. I told you about all the smoke. I don't know. Well, you can't really see it from here, but we'll walk out here. I'll see if you guys can see all this smoke that we're having to deal with here in the mountains. And like I say, these wildfires are crazy right now. We got one. It's about 40 miles west of here. Then there's another one about 45 miles east of here, over around Asheville, North Carolina area, if you're familiar with Asheville. But here in the mountains, I don't know if you can see all that smoke back in there. That's just all smoke from coming across that mountain. So, but yeah, it's smoky, but we're dealing with it. It's okay. Air's still fresh. Still smells like fall. Crunchy leaves all over the ground. Truck's all dusty. I don't know if you can see all that dust. It's just, it's dusty. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you. Appreciate all my subscribers, followers. Again, did that giveaway video. Congratulations to Oompa's Workshop for winning the drawing. Yeah. So I guess that's about it. See you guys. Leave comments. Ask any questions, whatever. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.